E rere ana mai. Mai te tipua i arangi paua. Nā taha. Whare ngai o. Ki runga parisi hore, ngā pueriki. E tere nei taku awa, aha para. Tuki ana mai. Ki te moana nui a kiwa ana. A motu nui. Whakarere iho. E iwi roa ha para ki tēnei taha. Ka whakamau atu aia, ko te ara tipuna. I te wera. E hoki atu ai ki roto i te rau kūmara. Hoki mai au ki waku toka, waku mara, waku papa tipu. Anei rai tako atoa ke nei, ko whara. Puta no atu mai. Ha para, haere tonu atu ai ki runga o koko taiki. Ke mihi kau atu ai a wahau, ana. Ke taumata kori. Ke poko hinu. Anei rā te ui. Aru taia e noho ake nei e pāna ki ngā whenua. E whakamahi ana te rāne.
Kia ora koutou katoa. I'm NIWA climate scientist Petra Pierce. Climate change impacts will be felt everywhere, including in Omaio. Recent warming has been caused by pumping greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, primarily from burning fossil fuels like oil and gas. These gases act like a blanket around the Earth, stopping heat from escaping. Future changes to temperature and rainfall patterns, as well as sea level rise, are projected to have significant impacts on our whanau, hapori, whenua and mokopuna. Future changes will depend on how fast greenhouse gas emissions continue to rise. If we limit emissions soon, we may see fewer drastic changes than if we do nothing to mitigate climate change. In this video, we present two climate change scenarios. One is a mid-range scenario which involves greenhouse gas emissions peaking around 2040 and then declining, and one is a business as usual scenario where future emissions continue to rise. Over the past century, Aotearoa has warmed by about 1 degree. By 2040 in Omaio, average temperatures could be over half a degree warmer than at present for the mid-range scenario and up to 1 degree warmer for the business as usual scenario seen here. By 2090, compared with present, over 1 degree of warming is projected for the mid-range scenario and up to 2.5 degrees for the business as usual scenario seen here. Increases to average temperatures may change the length of the growing season and provide opportunities for different species to be grown. However, there may also be elevated risks of pests and diseases. Currently, Omaio experiences about 10 days per year with temperatures above 25 degrees or hot days. In the future, this is set to rise by about 15 hot days per year by 2040 under both scenarios. By 2090 for the mid-range scenario, about 20 more hot days per year are expected, but around 50 more hot days per year are projected for the business as usual scenario seen here. Increases in extreme heat may have detrimental health effects and increased demand on water resources for crop growth. Along with more hot days, there will be fewer frosts, which may impact crops and allow pests to survive over winter. Yearly rainfall totals aren't expected to change much in Omaio, but winters are projected to become wetter and summers are likely to be drier in the future. In addition, dry periods may become longer, but heavy rainfall events are likely to increase in intensity. In other words, when it is dry, it will stay drier for longer, and when it does rain, it will come at once. These changes in rainfall patterns may have implications for flooding and the vulnerability of whanau and infrastructure. Drought is likely to become more common in the future due to reduced rainfall during the summer and increased evaporation. Therefore, stream flows, water available for plant use and drinking water supplies may be affected by the lack of rainfall. Sea level rise is a major concern for coastal communities like Omaio, where coastal flooding and erosion may become more common. Low-lying river mouths are particularly vulnerable to sea level rise. Depending on the climate change scenario, half a metre of sea level rise is projected to occur between 2060 and 2110, and 1 metre of sea level rise is likely between 2100 and after 2200. Climate change is a reality that will affect all of us in the years to come. This information will enable our communities to be better prepared and make informed decisions about how to deal with the potential impacts of climate change. For further information about climate change impacts for Omaio, a comprehensive report and summary booklet are available from Te Rau Aroha.